Hey everybody, it's me, Jim T, with Key, the realtor from BG, coming at you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market update, we are covering Lucas County, sales for Lucas County in November of 2020. So here we go. To start things off, let's take a look at new listings for the month of November. They're actually down almost 10%. Currently, there have been 397 new listings in Lucas County, which is crazy considering the fact that pending sales have increased by almost 25%. Currently there's 471 sales pending. And what these two numbers combined are doing, if we look down to the month supply of inventory down here at the bottom, we'll see that 3.4 months of inventory in 2019 has now receded to 2.1 months in 2020. That's a rescission rate of 38.2%. This number, folks, is not a great number if you are a buyer. What this means is there is very, very limited inventory on the market. The houses that are on the market are going fairly quickly, and they're going for almost 100% of what people are asking for them. If you are a seller, this is great news because we are seeing an overall increase in average sale price in Lucas County by about 21% year over year, same time this year. So, moral of this story for Lucas County, Ohio, is it is great time to be a seller. If you have been considering making a move here, whether it be you want to move to a warmer climate, you want to upsize, downsize, whatever your case may be, it is an absolute great time to try to sell a home in Lucas County, Ohio. When we look at the year-to-date numbers, which is all the sales from January through the end of November in 2019, compare them to all the sales of January through the end of November in 2020, we see that the average sale price has increased by about 10%. Now, normal increases year over year from 2012 have hovered between 5 to 7%. This year, we're looking at 10.3%. This is phenomenal. This means that people that have been buying houses over the past few years that are concerned, oh, well, what if the market crashes? Oh, 2020 is going to be a horrible year, blah, 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 blah. All the social media experts, if you say, they're all wrong. And what is right is the fact that real estate has consistently proven to be a safe haven to park your money, to park your wealth, and to see it appreciate year over year. And when we're looking at this number right here, that just cements that, even in a national, global, not just national, but global pandemic, where the economy is on the fritz, everybody doesn't know what to do with themselves, real estate continues to appreciate in value. That should tell us something. If you've been on the fence about buying real estate and you think that, oh, well, maybe I'm going to get a better deal, you're not going to get a better deal. Real estate traditionally improves year over year by about 5 to 7% over the past 10 years. The only thing that you are likely to get is a higher interest rate if you wait too long. So, if you're a buyer, now's the time to buy. Also, if you're a seller, now is the time to sell. Take advantage of this great market while we have it, folks. For any specific questions, feel free to go to my website, keytohome.com. If you're not a subscriber yet to my YouTube channel, please click that like and subscribe button so that you don't miss any future updates, especially if they're important to you, if you have been contemplating buying or selling real estate. Having knowledge, having information about what you're doing helps you make better decisions. That's why I do these videos. I hope to help my clients make better decisions. That's why I'm here. So, Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, is signing off. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you all have a great holiday season this year.